to meet the druids.
Look.
And where do these people live day to day? Normal houses in Wales? And I feel like I'm in a different world. They've got issues by the looks of it. I don't feel very welcome here at all, mate. They've got attitude. I really don't want to do this. Nah, I'm bored. Let's go. It's not for me. Come. Thank you.
O'n i byth yn meddwl fyswn ni'n cyrraedd y pwynt yma. Profi stand-off rhwng Gemma Collins ac aelodau'r orsedd. Ond dyna beth ti'n cael am wahodd diva Mwy Na Essex i'r Eisteddfod Genedlaethol. Dwi eisiau gwybod be mae influencers ar-lein yn meddwl am Gymru. Felly nes I wahodd yr anhygoel Gemma Collins I ddod i'n gwlad bach lush ni am ddeuddydd a'i thaflu hi mewn I brofiadau fysa'n newid I agweddi. Falle. Gobeithio.
I'm feeling a bit emotional. Where are the druids? Oh, they should all be greeting me, darling.
A dangos iddi bod ni'n fwy na glo, defaid a rygbi.
Heddwch!
Ond gadewch I ni fynd o'r dechrau, ie? Wrth I fi chwalu'r myths ma a phrofi unwaith ac am byth bod ni'n fwy na'r Daffs a Taffs. Chi'n barod am rollercoaster? Achos o'n I ddim. Mae un o ser reality TV mwyaf Prydain ar y ffordd. Mae hi wedi bod yn y jungle, mae hi wedi bod ar Dancing on Ice, mae hi wedi bod ar Celeb Big Bro. Wrth gwrs, dwi'n siarad am yr iconic Gemma Collins.
Fi'n claustrophobic. Gav. Agor I drws tan ffemas. I'm off, ffemas. Lushin. I'm a lushin, baby. I'm a big candy stick. When I think of Wales, I only really know it for the valley life. Loads of sheep poo, loads of sheep, smells of coal, and obviously my family being there. But I want to know, is there more to Wales?
OK, so, plan. Mae gynnu fi 2 ddiwrnod hefo Gemma, a digwydd bod mae'r Eisteddfod os yma. So, obviously, dwi'n mynd I fynd â hi'r Eisteddfod fory. Ond heddiw, da ni yn y cymoedd, lle amlwg, ond dwi ddim really yn gwybod lot am y lle. So, dwi wedi gofyn I rywun lleol I fy helpu I ac I fynd â hi o gwmpas y lle. Mae o yn seren TikTok, mae o'n ddigrifwr, yn drag queen, local legend, Ellis Lloyd-Jones.
Glas i'r fisged, glas I 2 o'n i'r fisged. How do you eat you cream egg? Wait ti'n barod?
Heia!
Helo, ti'n iawn?
Ti'n cael paned I
O, do.
Diolch, iechyd da. So, Gemma Collins, mae hi'n dod i'r cymoedd. Mae gen ti'r swydd o ddangos y lle iddi hi. Mae gen I glip o'i argraffiadau hi.
When I think of Wales, I only really know it for the valley life. Loads of sheep poo, loads of sheep, smells of coal. My granddad used to work with Tom Jones in the mines. Actual fact. I mean, I've not bumped into Tom Jones yet. The minute I do, I'm going to be telling him, hey, Tom, you and my granddad down the mines. What a story. I wonder if he sang down there. I have Welsh blood in me, from my fingers to my toes. All the greats have come from Wales. Catherine Zeta-Jones, Shirley Bassey, Tom Jones, Sean Connery, Gemma Collins. I mean, we got the magic in our blood, honeys. I could have been a warrior back in the day. You know, my heritage, did my family, like, you know, were they Vikings? Was I once a dragon queen in my past life? You know, did I own these dragons?
Wales.
Wales?
Arogli glo. Is that a thing?
Fi'n trio meddwl nawr os fi'n gwybod beth mae glo yn arogli fel. Sa'n siŵr os fi yn.
So, Treorci, dyna lle ti wedi tyfu fyny. Ife dyma lle gorau I ddangos Gemma I gychwyn y daith yma?
100%. So Treorci yw like y capital o'r Rhondda.
Pan mae pobl yn siarad efo ti o tu allan I Gymru, be maen nhw'n deud, oh yeah, Wales, la 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 la, be di'r brand?
Wel, rhan fwyaf o'r amser fi'n gael dros TikTok, it's always the stereotypes of the sheep shaggers. Never been near a sheep in my life. Chi'n gael pethau fel, like, oh, you know, dead language a pethau fel na. A mae lot o pobl yn meddwl am hwnna, am y cymoedd, ond mae'r iaith, mae fe'n ffynnu, mae fe'n amazing. Rhywbeth fi eisiau dangos am Gymru yw bod dyn ni ar un lefel a pawb arall yn y byd. Bys ni'n gweud i fi'n eitha modern, fi'n gweld lot o prides yn digwydd o gwmpas y wlad. Mae hwnna'n really lush. Yn tyfu lan, o'n i'n teimlo tim bach out of place yn bod yn person hoyw. Ond dyddiau yma, there's a Valleys Pride, there's a Rhondda Pride, living life.
So, yn tasg ni ydy dangos bod na fwy i'r Valleys na be mae hi'n meddwl.
Yeah.
Iawn, mae Elis yn barod, felly gawn ni weld be ddigwyddith pan fydd o'n cwrdd â Gemma. Dros y deuddydd nesaf, dwi'n benderfynol o ddangos pa fath o le ydy Cymru go iawn. Iawn, Uncle Sid?
What I like about Wales is the air is so fresh. It's like the cleanest, or one of the cleanest in the UK. I love the greenery. I don't know, I just feel it's very spacious up here. I've got to be honest, the one place I don't feel claustrophobic in the world is Wales. Because you know what I'm like with being claustrophobic.
Dwi'n clywed am GC, o'n big fan o'r rhan bach o ddiar, I must have to get me out of here back in the day. Brilliant.
Powerful woman. Mae rhai o pethau mae'n deud, mae just yn inspirio fi.
Darling! Hi, Gemma! I love Wales.
Lovely to meet you. I'm Miriam.
Do I need an introduction? I'm
No.
a GC, honey.
Croeso I Gymru, croeso i'r Valleys, croeso i'r Cymoedd, welcome to the Valleys, welcome to Wales. How do you feel to be here?
Honoured.
Oh, well,
But I'm a Welshie myself.
Yes, you've got deep Welsh
deep
connections.
roots here. I'm not being funny. If you took me to one of them graveyards, I could probably point out all my family there. We're in the ground here.
And you spent a lot of time here,
Yeah,
haven't you?
and my dad always says, actually, because he loves Wales so much, that
Yeah.
when that day comes, he'd like his ashes sprinkled on Wales. I'm like, no, I'm going to get you frozen and put in my garden. So you can't go
Trying to
anywhere.
think what's in your garden. What can you smell? What's coming to you?
Sheep poo.
Yeah, yeah,
Bit of grass.
yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Fresh.
Can you hear the singing
I
in the
can
hills?
hear Tom Jones in
Yes.
the distance somewhere. I can hear Shirley Bassey.
Yeah.
I can hear Catherine Jenkins.
Oh, all the icons. Can
And
you
I
sing?
went, can I sing, darling?
This is one of the most iconic songs in Wales, okay? It's Calon Lan. Calon Lan!
Calon!
Oh my gosh, lush vibrato, lush.
Catherine Jenkins ain't got nothing on
Hey.
me, honey. Everyone is happy
We
here.
try to be anyway, do you know what I mean?
No, you are. I've noticed that. Everyone's always like, you're right, but.
You're right,
What's
but.
the but mean? Is it bud or
It's-
but?
But it's like butty.
I love the
But
way
it's
everyone talks up here.
So you got loads of different accents, like, you know, Essex, you got the
Yeah.
Essex accent is different to like
Yeah.
West London or whatever. So that's what I want to show you in the next 2 days. Like, there's more to Wales there.
Can't wait,
than
can't
just
wait.
the
As long as I
valleys.
leave here with the horse's head on the stick
Yes.
and a sheep,
And a sheep and a dragon.
fine, and a dragon.
We can sort that out for you, no
I'm
problem.
sorted.
Maybe some Welsh cakes as well.
yeah,
Stunning.
I am not leaving here without the Welsh cakes.
Filming in car park. OK, dwi newydd cwrdd â Gemma Collins, Gemma Collins. Mae gen hi gysylltiadau cryf efo Cymru sydd yn greit, a mae hynna'n meddwl dros y 2 ddiwrnod nesaf fydd hi falle'n fwy agored i beth sydd gennym ni i daflu ati. Mae hi hefyd wedi cwmpo mewn cariad hefo dafad ac eisiau mynd â un adre. So dyma'r fath o berson da ni'n delio fi.
Go on, I'll take 2. And then we just have to tell me how to look after them and that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ram, I've bought you a present for your birthday. I've got to show you, I can't keep it a secret anymore.
What's that?
It's a sheep, but get for your birthday. They come in a pair. They're beautiful.
Reit, amser am I phrofiad cynta. Stryd fawr Treorci hefo Elis. Right, Gemma, I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of Elis Lloyd-Jones.
The famous TikToker.
Go
Yeah.
forth, my pretties.
See you
and have
later.
fun.
Tell me what Rhondda Valley's famous for.
Land of the song, we've got many choirs, many singers that come here. Tom Jones.
Oh.
Yes, that bitch, love it.
My granddad worked down the mines with Tom Jones.
No way, did
Yeah.
he? So they're on the valleys. One of the things it's famous for is Troki's High Street, which was named the best high street in the UK. Do you want water or anything?
Don't worry, it's not COVID, I've got chest infection.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, go, no, I'm all right.
Amser siopa, ac mae'r difa yma wedi cymryd rheolaeth dros y profiad yma'n barod. O, Drianna Elis.
Joia!
Joia!
Oh, we
Joia!
love it. Yes!
Joia!
Mae Gemma wedi treulio chydig o amser yn y cymoedd fel plentyn hefo'i theulu, so mae hi kind of yn gwybod be i ddisgwyl. Felly gobeithio, wneith heddiw ddod â atgofion melys yn ôl i fi.
Hello, darling.
Hello.
This is the cosy cafe.
Yes, this is Jeanette. Yeah.
Do you sell stone bakes in here? Welsh cakes, yeah? Now, this looks lovely and properly homemade. I really feel close to my nan right now because my nan used to make them like this.
Here we go.
That is beautiful.
Oh my God.
Beautiful. This is how my nan used to make them. And I'm feeling a bit emotional because basically this is what she... Is that trifle up there? Is that homemade trifle? Oh, go on, darling, give us a bit. I love a bit of homemade trifle. Do you?
Go for it, my love.
That looks beautiful.
Look at that.
I feel like I'm back in my nan's kitchen.
Oh, that's lush. What was her name?
Mildred.
Mildred.
Dwi di bod yma ers cwbl o oriau nawr a dwi'n methu aroglu glo, so mae hynna'n bullshit. Yn gobeithio bod Gemma'n cael amser da anyway.
Now, can you smell any coal? Can you smell any of it? I wanted to ask you, what does coal smell like?
I fod yn gwbl onest, dwi byth wedi aroglu glo yn fy mywyd.
Oro, fi wedi gwyntro glo o blaen achos mae bwced Dani ar bwys y tân.
I can't smell it as much this time round.
Dim glo y mob man. Sa'n credu bod fi byth wedi aroglu glo.
That's all like the coal and the slag heaps.
Right.
They're coal. So it's all like, all the green has grown over it now, so...
Lovely. Yeah. People need to know that there is more outside of the valleys as well.
Yeah, definitely.
You know?
Exactly.
They need to channel their energy, see? Yes. And take themselves to heights that they never imagined.
A dyna ni, mae Gemma wedi cerdded lawr Hollywood Boulevard Cymru, stryd fawr Treorci. Lwcus di hi ynde. Hello, hello!
Hello.
Treorci High Street.
Amazing. You took
Stunning.
me all up the high street.
Yeah.
Oh, Alice, diolch. Thank you very much for your service.
Gemma, diolch i ti.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Go off on TikTok and
Ta-ra!
your heart's content.
TikTok, honey.
Now then, where did you say your family's from again?
Abertillery.
Have you been recently?
No.
Should we go?
But I'm pleased this won the best award for the town.
It's a good one.
It's nice,
It's a
yeah.
good one.
It's not quite Knightsbridge, honey, but I'm off to Abertillery now.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Stunning.
Let's go.
Dwi di trefnu bod Gemma'n gweld ei theulu o Abertillery iddi rili fedru gysylltu'n ddwfn hefo'i gwreiddiau Cymreig. Ond go iawn achos dwi'n fusneslyd. Dwi hefyd eisiau mynd i waelod y stori Tom Jones lawr y pyllau glo thing yma achos dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n malu cachu.
So, your dad and my nan were brother and sister.
That's right, yeah.
I can remember as a young girl going to your dad's house.
That's right.
And I used to like, looking back now, saying what I remember it was everyone had their doors open.
Exactly.
Anyone could have any food, anyone could have anything. If I asked you for the shirt off your own back,
right.
you would give it.
Hello.
Hello.
We made it to Abertillery, to your
Yes.
family. Hello,
It is
everyone.
so
Shwmae?
nice.
And
And-
Gemma was telling me as well, you got connections with Tom Jones. So what's the story there?
So your dad, they think I'm telling a lie. This is
Can't imagine
true.
Tom down the mines.
Are
No,
we-
it wasn't down the mines, actually.
Oh, okay.
It was, my father used to work on the building sites.
Right.
And Tom Jones, obviously before he was famous,
Yeah.
worked on the building sites as well. And my father used to pick him up in the morning in the works van.
Wales is one place where I come and never feel homesick.
I always remember when your mum and dad came down, fetched you down when you was a baby, and the first thing I walked in the house and your mother went, feed her.
Yeah, she'd had
So I
enough.
fed him.
That's nice. How do you
Couple of
feel
months
about that?
Love it.
Yeah.
I loved it. I loved your mum and dad. Brilliant.
It's emotional. I'm getting ever so touched. What was I like when I was young? Demanding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was I?
Stubborn.
Stubborn?
OK. Diwrnod cynta, done. Hefo Gemma Collins. Wow. Dwi wedi cwrdd â hi. Mae hi yng Nghymru. Pretty crazy. Dwi'n meddwl oedd bod hi wedi cael dynod da, mae wedi bod i Treorci, mae wedi gweld ei theulu. Oedd hi'n teimlo chydig bach yn sal, so dwi'n gobeithio fydd hi'n iawn i fynd i Eisteddfod Tregaron y fory. Gawn ni weld. Bydd Gemma'n cwmpo mewn cariad efo clocsio, cynghanedd a cherdant. Fydd hi'n cael croeso gan y mamau Steddfod. Wel, ma' nhw'n tough crowd, felly dwi ddim yn siŵr. Bydd hi'n cael snog a cheeky fumble yn maes B. Dim o fi di wneud hwnna, wrth gwrs. Shwmai! Dwi wedi cyrraedd Steddfod! Yay! Ond di'r GC ddim wedi cyrraedd eto. Da ni ddim cweit yn siŵr lle mae. Mae yna real buzz o gwmpas y lle. Mae pobl, mae fel sy'n nhw'n aros am rhywbeth i ddigwydd. Nes i fynd i gael pizza gyna a gan rhywun dod fyny at fi a deud, wyt ti efo Gemma Collins heddiw? Fy mhrif tasg i heddiw ydy dangos bod na ochr draddodiadol i'r Eisteddfod. Hefyd, mae yna elfen fodern a cool iddo fo hefyd.
Allai'm credu bod Gemma Collins yn dod i Steddfod.
Gemma Collins ddim, sy'n meddwl bod i wedi ffosi Steddfod, dwi'n meddwl. Ni wedi bod yn chwilio amdano hi, ond sa'n gwybod be mae hi.
Just dim yn cerio be mae pawb arall yn deud, ia. Gemma Collins yn legend.
Mae Instagrams hi, popeth hi, just yn iconic. Mae pawb yn caru hi, so yn really cool.
Ar ôl chydig bach o aros, mae'r GC wedi cyrraedd yr Eisteddfod. Gemma Collins, yn yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol. Yep.
Fi'n meddwl mae'n iconic quotes i fo'n onest. Mae gyd yn gwybod TikTok fel, I'm claustrophobic.
Ond cyn iddi ddal fyny efo fi, dwi wedi trefnu spin bach o amgylch y maes mewn buggy iddi, diva style. Dwi ddim yn meddwl fysa hyd yn oed yr archdderwydd yn cael triniaeth fel hyn.
Also, old type position.
I love the accent.
I'm big personality, that in British TV, the stuff I mentioned, legend gael yma, dwi'n meddwl.
Or put your foot down, mate, it's too slow.
Fi really eisiau cwrdd â hi, actually. A fi'n meddwl bod yn wych bod hi yn y Steddfod.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, darling. Hello. Hello, nice to meet you. I don't need an introduction, honey. I think people know who I am.
Dwi efo poster yn rhwm fi o just Gemma Collins.
And it's the Eisteddfod.
Eisteddfod.
Eisteddfod. So, I'm at the Eisteddfod Festival today, GC style, baby. I am here in true Gemma Collins style. I'm being driven around. I don't feel very well, but nothing was going to stop me from coming to the festival today. The only way is Tregaron, isn't that right, mate?
Arbennig, spot on.
Tregaron. Have they got sheep here? This event is amazing. I've never been anywhere like this before. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. I need to headline here every year.
Incredible. Newydd gyrraedd wyt ti, babes? Ti heb weld dim eto. Aros nes bod ti'n gweld rhywun yn sbywio mewn Portaloo yn maes B. Nawr, dyna ti incredible.
They love you.
I know. You know what's amazing? We're in the middle of nowhere and everyone's gathered to celebrate the traditions of Wales. And everyone in here is Welsh except for me. I'm English. But, I don't know if you know, I've got Welsh in my blood.
I've heard.
I need a stamp on my passport. I need to change it all and I need to start telling people I'm Welsh, not English.
Yeah.
Hang on, get us a tango. Pull up at the Tango Ice Blast. I need a Tango Ice Blast.
Very open.
Just pull up outside.
Going to tango.
I love you. Thank you. That was a nice little pit stop. Take me to the druids. Thank you.
Na ni, mae di cael ei diod a mae di cyrraedd digwyddiad mwy ar flwyddyn. Ydy'r Steddfod wedi gweld diva fel hyn o'r blaen? Wel, heblaw am Gillian Elisa, wrth gwrs.
Darling.
Hiya, girl, you all right?
What a place. What a place,
Isn't
Miriam.
it great?
It is incredible.
Croeso i'r Eisteddfod, Tregaron!
Tregaron. I mean, where are the druids?
Oh,
they should all be greeting me, darling.
I know. Do you know what?
What are these stones then? Are these stones here permanently?
They're for the orsedd, so they bring them here. They bring it to every Eisteddfod to
Right.
like mark that there's been an Eisteddfod here, because it's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
It's our Glastonbury, you know.
What are these people queuing for?
So the biggest ceremony of the week is for a poet who's won the chair. They win the chair.
Right. The chair of?
It's a whole ceremony. The druids are there. They're wearing all their gowns.
Get me to him, Miriam.
Mae di cyrraedd o'r diwedd. Mae pobl yn mynd yn wyllt yma. Mae yna real buzz o gwmpas y lle sydd yn fab. A mae hi weld yn really hapus. Mae ganddi ddiod, mae ganddi buggy. Mae really eisiau cwrdd ar orsedd. So, bant yn ni. Mae hwn fel breuddwyd. I don't know what's going on. Barddoni neu bronzer? Pavilion neu Prosecco? Essex neu'r Eisteddfod? Mae hyn I gyd siŵr o fod yn culture shock anferth i'r hyn, Gemma Drian. So dwi'n dechrau pethau off yn werinol. Hefo clock shop, baby!
is this?
Look at the folk dancing,
Oh
Jem.
my God, I love it.
Look at it.
Where do they learn this at school?
From birth, babes.
They come out folk dancing.
This is Sioned playing the piano. These are talog dancers, and they're excellent.
Let's sit down and watch it, Miriam, and relax. And where did all of this originate from?
It's traditional Welsh folk dancing. There's a thing called tumpas.
Right.
It's where, like, back in the day, they used to go to the tumpas. It's like a dance where the men and women would dance together. They'd go on a promenade, they'd dance together.
Right, so it's like maybe like a courting thing.
It gives me that vibe.
Oh, hello.
And it's one of the things that they compete in the Eisteddfod as well.
Really? I actually loved it.
Mae fel Piccadilly Circus ma, boys. Mae Gemma wedi cyrraedd, mae pawb yn tynnu lluniau ohoni, mae wedi gweld danswyr talog, a fi'n meddwl oedd hi'n really impressed efo hynna. Mae ar fi'n gweld seremoni'r cadeirio. Fydd digwyddiad mwyaf pwysig yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol yn creu rhyw fath o argraff ar y GC. Fydd hi'n gwerthfawrogi faint da ni'r Cymry'n caru barddoni a chyngeneddu. Bydd hi eisiau bod yn rhan o'r orsedd. Lol, allwch chi ddychmygu? Be fydda enw barddol, Gemma? Hey!
Can't wait to meet the druids.
Look, they're all going in now.
That's amazing.
So they've all been...
They're going in to sing?
They're going... basically, it's a ceremony now for the person who's won the chair. So it's like the big ceremony of the week. These are all the druids going in now.
And where do these people live day to day? Normal houses in Wales?
Normal houses in Wales, not in castles or anything.
Okay.
They've got normal... Shall we go and meet some of them?
Yeah.
All right.
And what are they going to sing now?
There'll be some singing, there'll be some dancing.
Right.
None of them, they're not allowed to speak English.
Why?
Because there's like a rule that they can only speak Welsh in the Eisteddfod. So I'll have to do some translating. Are you all right with that?
Yeah, I'll just nod, you do the chatting.
But I'll translate, all right?
Amazing.
Shwmae, chi'n iawn? Pob hwyl, pob hwyl.
And we're going to follow in and watch them, are we?
No, we're just going to let them go in because this is side stage now, so they're all going in. This is the traditional garms that they wear to go in. And then there'll be a whole ceremony then. Isn't it mad that this is an extravagant thing?
I don't know what world I'm in. I feel like I'm in a different world. Like I'm going back in time.
Yeah, exactly. But isn't it cool that these traditions...
I think they've all got a bit of attitude, though. They're not very friendly.
Very, they've got a bit of that going on.
They've got issues by the looks of it. They look a bit... They're not very welcoming, I've got to be honest.
I think, do you know what it is? They've been looking forward to this all week.
Yeah.
They've got like a mission to go in now and get the ceremony done.
I don't feel very welcome here at all, mate. They've got attitude. Yeah, I really don't want to do this. Nah, I'm bored. Let's go. It's not for me. Come. Nah. They're really rude, Mark. I'm coming.
O, lletwydd! O'n i ddim yn disgwyl hynna. Dwi ddim cweit yn gwybod beth sydd wedi mynd o'i le fan hyn. Dwi'n meddwl oedd eisiau cael sgwrs falle efo rhai aelodion o'r orsedd, ond yn amlwg maen nhw'n brysur. So gan nhw ddim lot o amser i siarad efo hi. So, mae'n ddim yn hapus iawn. Ond, mae gen nhw waith i wneud, mae gen hi waith i wneud. Be wneud i? Be wneud i? OK, so mae Gemma di mynd adre. Di ddim yn teimlo'n dda iawn bechod, a mae'r Steddfod yn lot os ti'n teimlo'n hollach. So, fair enough, mae'n sal, mae'n overwhelmed, digon teg. So, dwi dal i fod yma. Dwi yma o hyd ar y gweitha, Gemma fod yn sal. So, paint? Wel, oedd hwnna'n brofiad. Nes i rioed dychmygu fysa hynna'n digwydd. A mae'n ar drip a phopeth. Be mae'r orsedd di wneud iddi? Am rollercoaster. Reit, mae'r Steddfod wedi hen fynd a mae Gemma wedi cael digon o amser i gryfhau ar ôl teimlo'n sal, bechod. Steddfoditis. Hell of a thing. Na, dim rili, oedd ganddi chest infection. Ond nath I gael grand tour o'r maes mewn buggy, nath I weld chydig bach o glogsio, a nath I weld aelod yr orsedd, so not too shabby, ond o'n I eisiau dangos elfennau eraill iddi o'r Steddfod. So, dwi wedi dod I Essex I gael catch-up efo Gem. Full tegell, come on, Gem. Come on, parched me. Gemma.
Darling, welcome to Essex.
I am so thrilled to be here. Thanks for letting me come to your lovely home.
You are welcome here anytime. Me, Casa, Sue, Casa, Miriam.
I'll take you up on that.
Last time I saw you was in Wales.
How was your time in Wales? What's your general thoughts on your time there?
Absolutely think the place is magical.
Oh, that's nice.
Breathtaking. I love the people. I did love the fact that one of the streets that we went down...
In Treorchy?
Treorchy.
Yeah.
Couldn't believe how advanced it had come.
Really?
I felt like I could have been in London, a quieter part of London. And what I liked about Treorchy, it had elements of the Wales I remember and elements of Wales for the future. And I really believe there's going to be a massive movement there.
Love that.
And it is all changing.
Has your view on Wales changed since that
Only
first
since
day?
I met the druids at that festival, I didn't like it. The druids looked at me like I was something from outer space.
Do you know what I found out later, though?
Go on.
This is my fault, probably. You're not supposed to talk to them.
So sorry, druids. You wasn't rude. I take it all back.
It's
Apparently...
on me. You're not supposed to talk to them before they go on the stage.
Why?
It's like a sacred, ceremony thing.
Well, that explains it.
I know. And I was like, oh my gosh, standing there.
I
like,
sort of went to them, all right, and smiled, and they were like...
I know. I told my mum, I was like, so we went to the druids, and they were like, you're not supposed to do that. And I was like, OK, that explains it. That explains it. Because actually, after the ceremony, probably they would have been like, hello, Gemma.
Really? All right, I take it all back.
I know.
I'm going to call my counsellor and tell her we don't need to discuss the Welsh trip in therapy this week.
That's good. To be fair, you weren't well either, were you? Are you feeling better?
I was so ill for 3 weeks after that filming. I had chest infection, I had ear infection, I had you name it infection, I had it.
Yeah. Hefo Gemma'n sal, nath I fethu lot o bethau cool o'r Eisteddfod. Felly mae gen I fideos I ddangos iddi nawr I wneud i'n gemi-genus. Yn dechrau, hefo'r cadeirio. They have a whole ceremony, this person's won.
And where does the chair go, in people's houses?
Yeah.
Calon wrth galon a oes heddwch.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Gwaedd uwch a dwaedd a oes heddwch.
This is a serious situation, what everyone gets involved in.
It's the biggest honour of the Eisteddfod.
Now, this looks more up my street.
So this is on the same
I'm
stage.
seeing sequins,
Yes.
I'm seeing glitz, I'm seeing glamour, and I'm not seeing any clogs. There's a real movement there.
And I think it's going to happen every year now.
Yeah.
It's very, very
that
diverse.
I do want to be a part of. Forget winning the chair.
Yeah.
Let someone else win the chair. I want to be a part of that.
And then this guy is our Springsteen, OK? His name's David Ewan. He wrote Yma o Hyd. Look at all these kids. He's like in his 70s, 80s now.
They love him.
And they are loving him. So, should we go outside and should we recreate the Eisteddfod? So
Yeah, bring the Eisteddfod to the
Essex
GC's house. Let's go, honey.
Done it.
Dwi'n meddwl I fod o'n bwysig I ni orffen I phrofiadau hefo chydig bach o hwyl. Steddfod gen Essex 2025?
Let's head over here.
I cannot believe you have bought the Eisteddfod to the GC mansion.
Let's go to the S here.
I've got to capture this moment on the gram. Me and Miriam doing the Eisteddfod.
GC style.
GC style. I got ill when I was there, so I got it brought to me. Essex, baby. Woo! Tregaron.
Ymlaen â ni nawr i'r seremoni cadeirio GC style, baby. Ac wrth gwrs, dim ond un person all fod yn fuddigol yn Sir Tawi.
Croeso. Croeso means welcome.
Croeso, croeso. Welcome to the GC garden.
Our knife will the GC and only the GC, stand. Os gwelwch yn dda. Right, then the telyn plays, the harp plays, and I come and get you. I put this robe on you, which actually goes perfectly
my outfit.
with that. so graceful.
And at this
so
point,
graceful
people
with
start
it.
crying and flowing flowers.
Everyone's crying. Everyone's thrilled for you.
Right. Right.
Putting this on.
Over the shoulders, honey.
Put it over
Don't
the
mess up the
shoulders.
hair.
There we are. Stunning.
Not in the aesthetic.
And then you come and stand in front of the chair. And then I'm going to get Mark to help me. Because he's a good soul, our Mark. If you stand there, Mark.
He's Welsh as well. I've got a Welsh manager.
Keeping it in the family. Yes. Y gwir yn erbyn y byd, a oes heddwch.
Heddwch!
Well done.
Heddwch. Well, it don't sound very peaceful. It sounds aggressive and angry. Heddwch. Oh, I don't want to choke and die.
Calon wrth galon, a oes heddwch.
Heddwch!
Well done.
Heddwch!
Gwaith uwch adwaith, a oes heddwch.
Heddwch!
Gemma, you may sit down on your glorious chair. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Mark. Dyma y GC Prifardd, enillydd y Gadair 2022, Steddfod GC Style!
Heddwch!
I feddwl bod hi'n honni bod hi wedi cael cam yn yr Eisteddfod, ond i wir ddim yn meddwl fyswn i'n ei gweld hi eto. Ond dyma hi nawr yn taflu hi'n fewn i bob peth, wrth i bloody bodd.
Gosh, it's so moving. I want to, like...
Go on.
I was from this era, this time. I told you I thought I was a dragon queen.
Does it make you feel a bit witchy? Like a,
yes.
Yeah. This is a moment right here.
It's beautiful. The GC is leaving the body.
You're connected to it.
This harp makes the GC.
You're living here now.
The energy
Ness,
of the GC has left the body. Thank you to the harp. Where's she gone? Where's the GC gone? Bring her back, bring her back. A Welsh harpist, I need one.
Absolutely.
But then you'll have to do a tune when I need to go into GC mode to bring me back. Try it.
Ooh, jazzy.
Yeah, she's coming back into the body. She's coming back. The bitch is back.
Does dim geiriau. Drychwch, y delyn, y cadeirio, y dawnsio. Ond un peth da ni'r Cymru yn licio gwneud yn fwy na dim byd ydy canu. Felly be am i ni gau y drysau a rhoi pob chwarae teg os gwelwch yn dda.
So we're going to learn this song now,
moment.
and Nest is going to help us. She's going to play the harp for us.
Rhaeni yma o hyd. Aya gywai for pwab y popeth. Rhaeni yma o hyd. Rhaeni yma o hyd. And you're telling me it's Bruce Springsteen of Wales?
Absolutely.
How did you all learn this language? Did you, like, just come out speaking
Born.
it?
Yn cofio Maxen, does neb yn ein abod o. Mae 1600 o flynyddoedd yn amser I hir i'r co. Ond daeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru yn y flwyddyn 383 am gadael yn genedl gyfan a heddiw welen ni'r unig yma o hyd.
Give me the mic, honey.
Rini ai o hyd. Her gweitha pawb a phopeth. Her gweitha pawb a phopeth. Her gweitha pawb a phopeth. Rini yma o hyd.
Cyn I Gemma ddod I Gymru, y geiriau yn dod i'w meddwl I pan oedd hi'n meddwl am Gymru oedd defaid, valley life a arogl glo. Dal yn confused am yr un yna. Ond dwi fel Cymraes methu uniaethu efo'r tri pheth yna. Dwi wedi gweithio mewn Pwll Glo. Dwi ddim yn dod o'r valleys. A dwi ddim yn massive fan o lamb, actually. Sorry about it. So, sgwni os ydyw themladau hi di newid erbyn hyn. What did you think about a little mini GC Steddfod?
Do you know what? When I was up there singing that song, I felt like passion. I felt warmth in my veins. I felt pride. Pride more than anything. People are so proud to be Welsh, and so they should be.
I love that.
Because it's a beautiful place where community still exists. There is a real love, a warmth, and a great camaraderie up there. which you don't get very much anymore, sadly. Yeah. And, you know, I really want this Wales to be a part of my life forever.
You said sheep and the valley life, and that's what you knew about Wales.
That's all I know.
Why do you think that is? Is it just what is in the media about us, or what is it that gives people that impression of Wales? Do you think?
Well, that's how it's marketed.
Yeah, but you've seen there was way more to us than that. So
And
do we need to shout a bit louder about
You need to keep shouting, and I really hope that the youngsters there will carry on these traditions. Introduce new ones, like it's great to see at the festival, the pride stuff and that, but, you know, just keep the real heart of the country and the traditions going.
Will do, absolutely. So if you could round up this whole experience in one pick from the 2 days that you spent in Wales and our little festival here.
I think it was me and you on stage, Miriam.
It was a moment, wasn't it?
It was a big moment. Dwi'n Carry Cymru. Yeah, baby!
A dyna ni, mae Gemma Collins di treulio deuddydd yng Nghymru. Gwlad y Gan, Gwlad y Steddfod, Gwlad Dafydd Iwan. A dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi rhoi blas da iddi o wir realiti Cymru. Mae Cymru yn le cyffroes a lliwgar hefo diwylliant really cryf. A os wedi dysgu un peth gan Gemma, hyder ydy hynna. A dyn ni angen gweiddi chydig bach yn uwch am ein gwlad awesome ni. A mae Dafydd Iwan di ennill fan newydd, so job done.
Gwena pawb a popeth, gwena pawb a popeth, gwena pawb a popeth, and again, and again. Ready our wahi, ready our wahi. Oh, I'm feeling this song. Gwena pawb a popeth, this is beautiful. Ready our wahi, gwena pawb a popeth, gwena pawb a popeth, gwena pawb a popeth, ready our wahi. Yes, Gemma!
That was the moment.
You can tell you're Welsh because you've got a hell of a voice.
Cymru am byth.